Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to attach an image to your email on Microsoft Outlook in the year 2026 using a Mac computer, web-based. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in the tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, an account for Microsoft Outlook, and an image that we will be attaching to the email. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go down to the dock, go to Launchpad, go to the alternative web browser, which is Google Chrome. Click on this, wait for that to load. Once that is loaded, now let's go to Outlook and then make sure that you are signed into the account. Now let's go to brand new email. Let's now increase the size of the email window. And now let's select the recipient, which will be right here at ComputerScienceVideos.com. We now want to add a subject, which is image. Then what we need to do is start to compile the email itself. So this email will say, "Dear CSV, I hope that this email finds you well. Please see the attached image which we need to attach. Let's now move to another desktop. Let's now take a screen capture of the desktop, a section, rename that image. Let's go back to the email and then let's now select insert, attach file, browse this computer. This should take us directly to the desktop. If not, click on desktop, image, open. We can now see that the image 3 MB has been attached to this email. So let's now go into the email and finish off the email by saying kind regards. From the admin, full stop. Let's now click on send. So that email itself has been sent. Let's now go to the sent items. Dear CSV, I hope that this email finds you well. Please see the attached image to this email. Kind regards, admin. Click on the image itself. And there we have it. That section that was screen captured on the Mac, attached to the email, sent to the recipient. And here we have the email on screen. Let's now quit Google Chrome. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys on my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.